Is a home warranty worth it to you when you're purchasing a home? I'm going to let you be the judge of that, and I'm going to give you some information in this video to let you decide. I'm Holly McCann, a local realtor in South Orange County. I've sold over 200 homes for clients, to and for clients, and I've seen most people purchase home warranties. It's the sellers that buy them for the buyers, and most of the time people want them. They can be helpful. They can also be really frustrating. I have a client that just in the last few months on a home he bought within the last year got a couple of service calls, and it was well worth it to him for him to have that home warranty. It's just kind of nice to have that peace of mind, and some people will extend it every year because that's your option. What do they cost? On the low side, $400, and on the high side, $1,000. It depends on what degree of coverage you want and what types of things you want covered. Do you want all the appliances covered? Do you want pool equipment covered? Do you want air conditioning covered? So you have to look at the individual company's list of pricing to find out what's going to be included. And service calls. You're going to have a deductible of like $75 to $95, depending on the company typically, that you pay that out of pocket just for them to show up and start to diagnose the problem in your home. I have seen problems with getting home warranties to pay when you think they should and they want to fight and push back. Personally, I have a relationship with the representative with the company I like and use the most, and she has helped us get through the battles sometimes. It's also super important that if you have what you think is going to be a claim, you call the home warranty first. Don't call your own plumber or your own HVAC person and then hope that the home warranty company will reimburse you. They won't. You have to go through them, and it takes some time. One of my clients, I think it took them 10 days to get their air conditioner fixed in the middle of summer. That was really miserable, but to have the home warranty company pay for it, it was worth it to them. So I've got even more stories I could talk all day about, which I won't. But overall, as long as the seller's paying for it and they're expecting to pay for it and it's just kind of assumed, go ahead and take it if you're a buyer, unless you really don't want the hassle. And then you could ask for a credit in lieu of that home warranty. If they're willing to pay $800 or $1,000 for a home warranty, tell them, hey, I'll take that as a credit, have it reduce your closing costs, and then you just take on the risk if anything happens to your home that you might otherwise use home warranty for. So there's my few cents on that, and you guys can decide. I'd love to know your comments below, what stories and experiences you've had with the home warranty. Comment below, and as always, contact me with any real estate questions. Thanks so much for watching.